How to trade GBPUSD on September 22. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Back trading plan. How to trade GBPUSD on September 22. Simple tips and trade analysis for beginners. Friday trade analysis :1H chart of GBPUSD. The premium article will be available in 000022.09.2025 AM. A premium article will be available in 000022.09.2025 AM. Friday trade analysis :1H chart of GBPUSD. The GBPUSD pair continued its downward movement on Friday, even though a rise in the pound would have been more logical. Let's recall that on Friday morning, the UK released a fairly positive retail sales report, which traders completely ignored. Overall, last week's economic statistics in the UK were quite solid, but it didn't prevent the pound from falling due to renewed concerns over the national budget. The pound has declined. Fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.